Hey there, CPO here, and I sent a little teaser out about this on my website earlier, but I finally got in the mail my audio recording cable for Cockpit audio. So I'm already working on the video side with my GoPro, and then for the audio side, I want to be able to hear my audio, the instructor, and other air traffic and traffic control clearly. So I wanted to record straight out of the intercom system on the aircraft. So for that you need some sort of an adapter. Basically it's a splitter that will allow you to split the audio output from the audio panel into both your headset and into a recording device. So I know that there are some DIY methods for achieving this using just straight up Radio Shack adapters and then making a Y cable out of it. But I decided to spend a little money on this carefully because I wanted something that was going to be functional 100% of the time, remembering that my audio is sort of the umbilical cord to the rest of the world from the airplane. So I didn't want some janky DIY homemade sort of a situation that might fail. And I'm pretty good at DIY stuff. I do a lot of DIY stuff, but I just felt comfortable not having to stress over it by getting something that I know is going to work. So I did a little bit of research and I ended up coming across this company called Crazed Pilot at CRAZEDpilot.com. And full disclosure, I went ahead and set up an affiliate account with them. So if you do browse their site and find something you like, if you use CRAZEDpilot.com/CPO to start getting there, then I'll get credit for anything you happen to buy. But they've got some pretty reasonably priced headsets, both active and passive noise reduction. But that's not what I'm talking about today. I'm talking about this audio adapter. One of the things that makes this special over a standard DIY sort of a T adapter or Y adapter is the impedance matching circuitry that they have included here. What that means is the differing audio input and output levels, and more importantly, the input level that's being expected by my recording device will be sort of dynamically and automatically matched. I don't know how all this stuff works, I'm going to be honest with you, but I know that that's important for making sure that I'm getting the best audio possible. So I went with something with impedance matching, very solid construction. It's my understanding these are made in the USA. I believe this company's out of Oregon, so kind of a small shop, but looks like they spent a lot of time making decent products. So this cable comes in several different forms. It comes in one for just standard 3.5 millimeter inputs, and I believe that that is labeled on their website as GoPro Hero 2, Contour HD, etc. I'm going for the etc. part in this case. They also make them specifically to plug into the newer GoPro cameras and also other types of cameras and an iPhone adapter. So I am recording with a GoPro, but I'm not recording with the GoPro adapter, and I'll tell you why. I don't want to plug the audio cable directly into the GoPro because I want the GoPro up, maybe in the ceiling, maybe on the side. I didn't want to have to run a cable to it for audio. So my audio is being recorded separately from the GoPro. And I'm using this for recording this video now, but this is what I'm going to be using, my Tascam recorder. This is what I'm going to use to record my audio in the cockpit. I'm going to throw it somewhere behind the seat, or if I'm in a four-seater in the back seat somewhere. And that's why I got the standard input, the 3.5 millimeter input, because that's what this one uses. Now, in addition to that, I can always get an adapter for this for my GoPro camera. They make, GoPro even sells the adapters for, what, 10 bucks or so. So if I buy this one cable, I have the option of using it several different ways. If I buy the GoPro specific cable, then I'm kind of limited in how I use it. So think about that. But let me show you how this works really quick. So I have my cable from the headset, right? I've got my microphone and my audio. And basically all this is going to do is go in line and just replace just like that. So now this is going to be what's plugged into the board. I've got 5.5, maybe more feet of cable that I can run to the recorder, and I'm going to capture all of that audio. And this is a very positive connection. So anyway, that's how I'm doing my audio. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.